Is it time to buy or sell Royal Bank of Canada stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Royal Bank of Canada. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since August 26, 2025, our system has ranked the Royal Bank of Canada as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.09. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is positioned in the upper part of a weak rising trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is likely. A breakout above the upper trend line at 138.17 will initially signal a stronger rate of ascent. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 7.08% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 1.94% to 7.46%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 6.84%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 13.27% to positive 7.05% over the next year. This means the future price could fall between 119.41 and 147.39. Our latest daily update for the Royal Bank of Canada includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Royal Bank of Canada Stock Price After Tuesday Trading. The Royal Bank of Canada stock price increased by 1.06% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday the 26th of August, 2025, rising from $136.23 to $137.68. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.18%, with a low of $136.10 and a high of $137.70. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, leading to a total gain of 2.14% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which indicates a positive technical sign, with 193,000 more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 1 million shares changed hands for approximately $143,006,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $138.34. while the lowest was $106.10. Currently, the price is 0.47%, or 65.5 cents, below the 52-week high of $138.34, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. The Royal Bank of Canada approaches the third quarter reporting period with analysts anticipating stable profitability, modestly improved margins, easing loan loss provisions, and only mild pressure on asset quality. Non-performing assets are predicted to rise slightly, estimated to be in the high single-digit basis range, around 0.9% for the sector. Market sentiment has been improving. Recently, RY received an upgrade and many expect an earnings surprise, potentially boosting the stock in the short term as investors seek outperformance and purchase for the quarter. Concurrently, discussions among management and peers regarding a possible sale of the payments joint venture, Moneris, indicate a strategic shift. A sale could release capital and simplify the business structure, which may support the share price if the proceeds are reinvested or returned to shareholders. However, this would also decrease future fee income, leading to a mixed impact over time. RY's dividend profile and buy rating bolster long-term investor confidence, which could support a higher valuation multiple if credit trends remain favorable. Anticipate short-term volatility surrounding the report and any announcements regarding Moneris. Sustained growth will rely on the resilience of margins and the trajectory of asset quality. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 15th of August 2025, it was reported that National Bank assigned RY a sector perform rating with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 14th of August 2025, it was reported that Barclays assigned RY an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 9th of June 2025, it was reported that Barclays again assigned RY an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 20th of May 2025, it was reported that CIBC assigned RY an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 5th of March 2025, it was reported that CIBC assigned RY a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned the Royal Bank of Canada stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for the Royal Bank of Canada. The Royal Bank of Canada stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is evident from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support levels at $136.74 and $133.19. Should the stock fall below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. Furthermore, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing in tandem with the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term performance. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, August 22, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 0.145%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence buy signal. Pivots sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average buy signal 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we notice short moving average buy signal 16 days ago. Long-term moving average buy signal 85 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 75 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Royal Bank of Canada. Royal Bank of Canada finds support from accumulated volume at $135.91, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically trades at a robust volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered low. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $1.60, representing 1.18% between its high and low. For the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.04%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for the Royal Bank of Canada, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 27th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.36. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Royal Bank of Canada. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Royal Bank of Canada is at $137.88. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Royal Bank of Canada encounters its first support level at $135.91. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $132.87. reflecting a decrease of 3.49%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, which translates to a lower risk profile. Furthermore, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Royal Bank of Canada stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that now might be a good time to consider purchasing. There is a reasonable expectation for Royal Bank of Canada stock to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have updated our analysis and revised our recommendation for this stock from a sell to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 27th of August, we anticipate that Royal Bank of Canada will open lower by 52 cents and commence trading at $137.16. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.